Good morning, how is everyone? It's been a while. Today I'm on a walk down to Porthwen Brickworks near Cemmaes Bay. Beautiful summer day in North Wales. So obviously there's been no videos because of coronavirus, but we are back and live. Right then, you ready for some history? So Porthwen Brickworks was a Victorian brick factory with a quarry. So I'm walking up to the quarry here now. Originally it was just a small brickworks before the 1900s, and then it got significantly large over the years and it fell into disuse by 1949. Used to be an old tramway and stuff here, but look at the views, it's just absolutely crazy. There's Isle of Man over there, if you can see. So this is where the ore was mined from, this rock here. So over lockdown I bought the DJI Mavic Mini drone, which is the smallest drone that the DJI do, under 250 grams, so you don't need a CAA license at all. So hopefully I'll take the drone up here, get some nice shots. This is the Porthwen Brickworks now. It was an old Victorian brickworks. I think stopped making bricks early 1900s, just because it was cheaper to manufacture them abroad, and also when the sea is up here it causes a bad swell, that was reading online, and the old boats just crash against the quay. But not very cool. A lot of people camping here actually. Weird. So I'm going to go down here now. I'll take the drone up over there somewhere. gonna take off here now.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
There we are, almost back in the van. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my Porthwen vlog. Please like, subscribe, you know, future videos. I've got a few holidays coming up, so I'll be going, well, hopefully we'll be able to go and do some vlogs there. And here we are back in the van. So, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to try and be doing a lot more around these parts of the world, North Wales that way. Yeah, peace out.